I think it's a great concept. I think it's so different because usually you see calendars which have only women in it, and in this calendar it's celebrating men and different types of men, and the part that really attracted me is that they're showing men, and this is a men's calendar. Usually you only see women's calendars, and I think it's great because even the men that are part of it are very different from one another, and I think that they all have their individuality, which shows through their themes. Now it took me 29 and a half years to realize I'm gender fluid, so I'm comfortable with my male and my female energies, and the synergy of both is me. And I'm so happy that Amit called me, and I was very ecstatic, in fact, because and he gave me the reference of my Vogue cover, and so I was just like, I'm not going to go nude again, ever. And but and I was like, Amit, you want to see me nude? I'll do it like somewhere else, but like not again in front of camera, because I'm very conscious. And but yeah, now I can't tell you everything about what we did, but I'll give you like a little gist. That Amit, the mood that he gave me, like I am only a mood. Let's start there. I am the mood. So I love that Amit kind of encapsulated that very beautifully, and the fact that he's going to show you my male and female side, I think that's great. I don't think anyone's done that ever. Always such a happy-go-lucky person, and then like whenever you're also tensed, and this year has been so tough on all of us, so everyone came with tense energies, and it's not the same when you're shooting in a pandemic. During a pandemic, everyone's like really worried about a lot of things, and when you see Amit and the entire team actually, but Amit especially, his aura is only so calming. When you see his face, you're just like, now what should I complain about it? Iska chehra dekh lo, matlab, you feel bad, like it's got like a puppy face, and he can get away with so much. Am I giving out his secrets? When I was approached first, I was told that Mikhail is doing the styling, but then he was not available. I know Mikhail very well, and then Victor came on board, and I'll be honest, because who am I to be scared of, right? I mean, nobody pays my bills. But I was a little adamant, because I am adamant working with people that I've never, ever, worked off or heard of any of my friends working with. But then when Amit said, and when I got on a call with Victor, is the nicest person to talk to. Like, he's so... I felt bad, because I'm from Bandra, and we're a little brash. I had to like go from an 8 to a 0 when it came to जो लिहाज होते हैं ना अल्फाजों में. He was so respectful, and I think that just goes such a long way. My Hindi is very pak when I speak it. I love the studio. I just absolutely love the fact that there is a studio, there's a makeup section, there is a designated area to if you want to just go out and take a breather from the shoot, then you can go out and be one with nature. So I think that it's a beautiful terrace, by the way, and then if you are lucky enough to stay as long as I have, then you get to see the stars, and I think it's great. So it was a great experience. Rishabh I've known for many years now, and Rishabh is so professional, and his entire team, and Priya did a great job with the hair. I was a little scared about the fact that the wigs had not come on time and stuff like that for my Rani look, for my second look, but then when I came here, she did such a great job, so I can't wait for you all to see the pictures. And I was like, who's that? I actually look like Nicole. I've never learned how to say her surname, from Pussycat Dolls. X. Sure. You get the picture, you know what I'm saying. Schachzwinger. Her. I would like to tell her that your time's up, because that picture is going to replace yours. I love her. I think if there's one woman that I have found extremely sexy in my life is Nicole. But I still can't get her surname, but she's still sexy. Of course, I have to mention this because I was supposed to be on a diet and I hogged on the food. So tomorrow, my trainer already called me. Like, he's literally calling me right now, and he's asking me, so like, what time? And I'm just like, maybe next week. You know, I'm going to now guilt eat because I have eaten so much. Now I'm going to go home and guilt eat more, I think, because it was such tasty food. I love this chutney and cheese sandwiches, my favorite since I was in school. So when I saw it, I was just like, I asked Rishabh, who was doing the makeup, I was like, if you want one, take one, because I'm taking the plate. But you fill up the room with so much joy and happiness. Like, as soon as you walk in there, it's just like, I am the party. Like, everything else can take a break for like 5.5 seconds because I am the party. And I love that. Because I usually think I'm the party. So it's like a double, it's like a tag team, double trouble sort of a thing when we're both there. So I think me and Runa have to be kept poles apart if the work has to be done. No. Because we're so... No, I mean, but she's... I've seen that she makes sure that everything is done properly, but at the same time, the process is fun. That's what I mean. So, I love you, Runa.